Hello guys, welcome to another episode with CryptoLord. Like I told you before, I will be taking you step by step on your crypto journey till you make it. Well, Lambo is the vision. Anything other than Lambo is not in the equation. So today's, based on popular demand, you guys asked me to do something about copy trading on Bybit. You don't know about TA, you don't know about futures, but you just want to make money off futures instead of doing nothing. So today's, based on popular demand, you guys asked me to do something about copy trading on Bybit. You don't know about TA, you don't know about futures, but you just want to make money off futures instead of doing nothing. As they say, idle money is no money, is of no use. So copy trading is an avenue whereby you can actually make money by trading with someone else trade. Like, let's put it, for instance, I know TA, I know future, so you can actually copy my trades and actually make profit off it. So I will be taking you step by step process on how you can actually make good use of Bybit copy trading futures. So the first step is to actually go open your Bybit account. If you don't have a Bybit account, check below or check my bio on Twitter to see my referral link, and you can open your Bybit account there, and from there you can actually come back and continue with the process. Okay, so guys, the first thing first is to sign in into your Bybit account. Then you go to assets. When you click assets, you deposit funds. Just click deposit. You choose the crypto you want to deposit. I want to deposit Ethereum. I want to deposit on ERC20. Then you copy. Then you come to your MetaMask or anywhere you have funds, and you send to the address. Send to the address. Done. Very easy, fast deposit. Then you come to when it's confirmed, then you come to this copy trading. You will see copy trading here. Just copy trade. Very easy and simple. Just copy trade, and then you can choose anybody, any master trader you want, any master trader you want. These are the top master traders. You can actually choose from the one that is available. Which is very easy to do. This one is full. You can choose from the one that is not full yet. These ones are full. But you just go through and you will see some that are available. Or you can just use my link, click on my link, then just copy me with my Twitter. You will see my link on my Twitter page. It's pinned there. Next thing is to you to transfer funds from your wallet, from your spot wallet to your spot or anything to your copy trading wallet. So you have to transfer funds from your spot wallet, from your derivative account or your futures account to your copy trading account, or you can also copy from anywhere. From your derivative account to your copy trading wallet. You can actually click how much you want to do in USD. Maybe let's say $10 or $100. Let's say $100. Just confirm, and it shows directly. Then with me copied, That is all you just need to do. Just copy me, then I will be the one handling the whole matter from there. So anytime I put on a trade, you get easy assets. You don't need to do anything, just as easy as that. You don't need to do anything. So guys, that is all about copy trading. It's as simple as ABC. My link is on my Twitter pin page. Just go there, just click on my link, it will open. Just copy me, just click copy, then you transfer fund to your copy trading account, and that is all you need to do. Anything I'm doing, the money will automatically be using my trade. If I'm gaining, you are gaining. If I'm losing, you are losing. So that is just it. Thank you everybody, and I want to see you next time.